Okay, so as the title of this video stated, it has been a while. I apologize for the delay, but I just wanted to make a quick post to let you know that yes, I am still here. Thank you all. Many of you have sent me emails and messages asking if I was okay, if I was still making videos. And the answer is yes, I'm okay. Yes, I'm still making videos. Just needed to take a break for a while from producing video content. Had a change of jobs at the end of last year, and that's been consuming a great deal of my time. And it's starting to ease up a bit now. So I'm now able to get back out in my garage and work on some projects. This is just a short, quick little video to let you guys know and give you an update. I do have a few projects in the works. I'm going to start getting some of those documented, getting videos produced. So thank you all for hanging in there, and thanks for checking on me. I do appreciate that. Within the next few weeks, I'll have some videos up and have some more content. In the meantime, if you guys have any suggestions on projects that you would like to see, please leave a comment in this video down below, and I'll take all that into consideration. Can't guarantee that I can get to them or get to all of them, but it would help me understand the type of content that you would like to see me produce. So that's it. We'll wrap it up. I hope everyone out there is doing well in this odd time that we're having and hanging in there. So again, thank you all for your emails and comments and checking on me. I do appreciate it. So this is Tim Two Wheels, and I'll be seeing you soon. Thanks.